How to change language on Aliexpress. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you are browsing Aliexpress for a dropshipping purpose or for your own personal shopping, you can easily change the language to fit you. So if you're not familiar with Chinese or English, you can change it to any language you want. All you have to do is simply head on over to aliexpress.com, and then on your top right, you will see the application, and then after that, you will see the language. Now, usually this is going to say the language as well as the country. Now you can change this to whatever language you want simply by clicking on this. Once you click on this, a drop down will appear. In this drop down, you will have your ship to option. And then you also have your language and currency options. So from here, you can choose the language that you want. Let's say I want to take a look at this in Portuguese. So I can click on Portuguese, and let's say I want to see the country where I'm shipping as to Australia. Now I can change the language once more. So even if it reverts back to English when you select a country, you can just reselect the language that you want and click on save. And once you click on save, you will be able to browse AliExpress and in the new language. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.